Draw the graph. Draw the graphs. Okay, let me open the slide set as well. Okay, this was the slide set. And I need the table as well. For the table, I need what you're using it, probability, normal distribution, right? For the normal distribution probability. Normal distribution probability. Normal distribution probability table. Table PDF. Then table values represent area and the left of the Z scores නෙවෙයිනේ. For you guys, we have from the middle, right? Midpoint from the 0, right? එතකොට standard normal cumulative probability table එක තමයි ගන්න වෙන්නේ. Standard normal distribution. Okay, that part is also. Okay, let me show you something. So, say, for your knowledge, actually, just look at these ones. See, as I said, sometimes they are giving the standard normal cumulative probability table like this as well. Earlier, whatever you were given starting from the midpoint, again, mean එක 0 කරලා 0 ඉඳන් තමයි you were given that table. හරිද? Sometimes they are giving the cumulative probabilities from the left-hand side as well. From the left-hand side, we have directly the negative values as well as the positive values. See, for the positive values නම් ඒ කියන්නේ මේක ඇඳෙන්නේ මේ තියෙන්නේ මැද 0ම තමයි. Okay, මේ තියෙන්නේ මැද 0ම තමයි. For the left side, we have the negative values. For the right side, we have the positive values. හැබැයි always we read this table from the left. Always we read this table from the left. Okay, so here we have the left values. If it's positive values, they normally drew the curve. Again, they drew the curve on that table itself and show you guys what is the area they are referring. දැන් මේම වෙනකොට මේ හරියේ තියෙන values for the positive values. I midpoint එක mean එක 0 and the standard deviation we talked standard deviation it's 1 කියලා we already learned නේ. එතකොට from here onwards for the right hand side we have the positive values. From here onwards for the left hand side we have the negative values. හරිද? So here now from here to here, if it's the total colored area, again, it would be something like the positive value. Always, now for this type of standard normal cumulative probability table, now we have what? Standard normal probability cumulative table. Now for this table, now we have to take the values from the left. Hurry. From the left, see the colored area. Then for you all, is it clear?
Yes.
For you all, I'm checking whether I can, last week we were found, right? Something colored from the...
Which section is in it?
Yes, please. Last week we found something like that table, as I can remember. Okay, let me take it. Yes. See, for you guys, they have colored only starting from the 0. See the difference. Itakota, if you wanted to calculate the negative values, what you have to do, you have to select the same region. Okay, you have to select the same region from the positive side. You have to select the same region from the positive side, and then again, same region means the same area. Area refers to the what we call, area refers to the probability. So you have to select this. If it's negative now, first you have to mark the negative ones. Itakote negative value begata. Since we have only the positive curved area, you have to check the what is the similar area for the positive side. ඊට පස්සේ you have to read the area value from the positive side itself. So for that, I ask you to first draw the relevant curve. Can you send me the curves you have already drawn so that I'll share my screen, and yeah, I'll share my screen and yeah. Hmm. Now, this is what you have sent me. For the first one, they say, for the question, it says, Probability. Wait. Exercise 14, right? Probability exercise 14. Okay. So here they are saying less than or equal to 1.15. No. Find the probability. Find the probability for the following situations. Probability is less than or equal. Probability that the Z is less than or equal to 1.15. එතකොට probability is less than or equal to 1.15 now. Probability is less than or equal to 1.15. You have drawn the upper part. Now, they are saying probability is it less than or equal to 1.15? So, probability is less than or equal to 1.15 means you have to color this part. Why you colored the upper part? If it's upper part, now it should be greater than or equal to 1.15, neither.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah. For the first one, it should be less than or equal to, yeah, actually it should be the whole area. Because if it's probability Z is less than or equal to 1.15, that means this whole part. Harida. So now how do we calculate this whole part? Hare, that is for this half from here to here. Now we know for this entire, you can see my screen, right? For the
Yes.
entire curve, we know the probability is 1. That means the area is 1. From the mean itself, we are dividing it into two symmetric. Again, this curve is a bell-shaped one. Because of that, we are dividing it into two equal parts. So for the two equal parts now, this part will be, the area will be 0.5. And this whole part is 0.5 again. So we need only this part, no? Then this left hand side, the negative portion, we already know that is 0.5. So we need this part. We need this part. This part means that section you can read it from the table itself. Why? Let me open the table again. Oh, table like. Wait. 1.15, no. The table. Table is in a PDF, I guess. Poisson distribution, lesson 14, lesson 16. Photo, image. I think this one was the, yes. See, now this area tamai we just want. Hena, let me share my screen. This area tamai we just want. Metana kohe hari thanaka තියෙන්න we should have 1.15. 1.15. 1.15. So 1.1 is in this line. 1.15 means මෙන්න මේක. See, 1.15 means this part. හරිද? එතකොට the value will be that is 0.3749. But this is not the answer. For this 3749, you have to add this negative side area as well, whatever we call 0.5. So the total probability for the first question is 0.5 plus 0.3749. Then the total would be 0.8749. Take a note.
Miss, so for everything, we should add 0.5.
No. According to the question only, no. According to the given question, if it's a negative side, then for the second example, okay, first do this one. I'll do the second one as well. Write down all the steps. Is it clear for this one?
Yes.
Okay. We'll do the second one because second one is a negative value. You will be able to understand.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, that part is done. Okay, then note also you have already sent me. For the negative value, so the first question we are done. Now for the second question, for the second question, let me open it. Okay. For the second question, that is Z is greater than or equal to, yes, that is correct. Z is greater than or equal to 237. Very good. Okay, that part is correct. How we gonna calculate that? Now, say negative, now our question is probability Z is greater than or equal, right? Greater than or
Yeah.
equal minus 2.37. So that means this whole part. Correct? That is correct. So now from the given table, but we have only this area. Here we have 0 and here we have Z value. This area එකට අදාළ table එකක් තමයි we have only. එහෙනම් then to calculate this whole part, we know this amount, the area of this part. What is that?
0.5.
0.5. That means half of that. Okay. Now our question is to calculate this part. To calculate this part, can we calculate this whole part from here? No, right? This is they have marked it from the positive side. එහෙනම් what we have to do? We have to select the same area from the positive side. එතකොට මේක already symmetric curve එකක් නේ 0 to minus 2.37 නේ. එහෙනම් the same area should be where? The same area should be from මෙතන හරිද? මෙතන තියෙන්නේ මෙතන තියෙන්නේ -2.37 නම් මේ පැත්තෙත් we have to mark 2.37. හරිද? Once we mark this 2.37, we can calculate this area from the table itself because this area is exactly equals to the left hand side area. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
හරිද? එතකොට මේක අපි read කරගන්නේ කොහොමද? From the table itself. Now again, if I open the table itself, that is 2 point කීයද එතන තිබ්බේ? 2 point
3.37.
okay, 2.37 no? 2.3 somewhere around here. හරි 2.3 somewhere around here. 2.37 will be මෙන්න මෙහෙම line එකේ ඇවිල්ලා here 0.4911. But that 0.4911 is not the answer. We have to add that 0.5 as well. හරි මොකද මේ අපි හොයාගත්තේ මේ left hand side එකේ negative part එකනේ. එතකොට 0.4911 වලට හරි 0. 0.4911 වලට okay 0.4911 means this area. Again, actually according to the question මෙන්න මේ area එක 0.4911 වලට we have to add 4911 වලට we have to add this whole 0.5. That means the total probability is 0.9911.
1.
Yeah. එහෙම නැතුව තියෙන එකක් according to the question 0.5 add කරන්නේ නැතුව තියෙන එක මම දැක්ක එකක් තියෙනවා. Okay, do that one as well. Okay, let me share that again. Take a note on that. මම දැක්ක එහෙම එකකුත් තියෙනවා. අම්මේ
Okay, miss.
තියෙන එකක් ගන්න.
එහෙම නැහැ ඉතින්.
දැන් කොහොමද දැන් ඒව ගැන කතා කරන්න එපා.
Okay, so this part is it's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what about the third question? Third question is third question is exercise. Okay, exercise period. Okay. Third question is minus 1.25. Can you find the final answer for this?
Okay, miss.
If you draw it, we have this one, then the 0.0 will be somewhere around here, and then the minus 1.25 is somewhere around here. Then if it's less than or equal to minus 1.25 means you have to color from this. This is the actual area, whatever you want. හරිද? හැබැයි can we calculate this total area from the table itself? No. Because of that, what do you think what we have to do? Okay, නිකන් හිතලා කරන්න බලන්න. This is the region, whatever we want. What are you talking about? Okay, something for the department actually. You can take it from the Facebook or something like that. In the poster, they have indicated that now. They have mentioned that now. ජේතු එයාටමයි කකුල් දෙක දෙන්නේ නැතුව එයාට අන්ත ඕන තරම් මෙතන ඉඳලින් වගේ ආලිපදක් කොහෙද දාන්නේ අන්ත අන්ද එක්කනේ කියන්නේ දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ අම්මලා වගේ නෑ එයාට කාපට් එක උඩින් යන තිබ්බා එයාට ඒනවනේ මම ඒ පැත්තේ මම ඉන්නේ එයාට පෙන්නේ තමයි කකුල් දෙකක් තියෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ කකුල් දෙක උඩ තියාගෙන ඉන්නවා මට තව කේන්ති වත්තර බලන්න. ඒක දන්නවනේ අර ඉන්න ඉන්නේ බයිසිකල් එක අනිත් ඌර වල කියලා වාඩි වෙයි බයිසිකල් එල්මන්ට් එක තියන්න තව පුතුවයි දෙන්න කිව්වා ඔව් අම්මගේ පුතා වෙන්න එතකොට ඉතින් එහෙම වෙන්න එපා අවුරුද්දට ආපු මිනිස්සු වෙන්න අවුරුද්දට ආපු මිනිස්සු වෙන්න right so you are done right
Yes.
හැබැයි now let me share your workings now this is the part no so z is less than or equal to 1.25 හරිද z is less than or equal to 1.25 කියලා කිව්වහම okay එතකොට if I mark this part let me also check එතකොට you have to go somewhere around here 1.25 will be somewhere around here එතකොට if I mark this part එතකොට if I read the value for this 1.25 from the table itself it is let me read it 1.25 means 1.25 means 1.25 1.25 means 0.3944 right 0.3944 නේ එතකොට 0.3944 නම් 0.3944 නම් 0.3944. That means this area. එහෙනම් what we have to do, this area also 0.3944. එහෙනම් for this area, what we have to do, 0.5 minus, yes, correct. That is the correct part. Yes, you have done it correct.
Yes.
Okay, now it's clear for you. Seems like it's clear for you. Then let me open the okay. You can do this, find the probability questions at home. Ne? I'll skip
Yeah.
these ones, try these ones at home. Shall we do this wording questions? Can you try these ones? I mean, for the first question. Have I?
Okay.
Okay, we'll do first one together. Now, you can see my screen, right? I think I have shared my whole screen. Give me 1 minute. Yes, I have shared my whole screen. Otherwise, okay. Now, the question is, the average salary of 1,000 employees is rules 2,200 and the standard deviation is, they have given us the average salary of 1,000 employees is 2,200. 2,200 and then the average salary of the average salary of 100 employees එතකොට n should be average salary of 100 employees එතකොට නිකන් අපි n කියලා කෙනෙක් ගත්තොත් they are calculating 1,000 employees ලගේ the average salary would be average salary කියලා කියන්නේ mean එකනේ එතකොට mean එක would be 2,200 and then and the standard deviation means sigma. Standard deviation is 300. That's what they have given. So calculate the probability of employees. Calculate the probability of employees that obtain a salary within a range of 2,000 to 2,500. හරිද? එහෙනම් okay. Okay. Calculate the probability of employees that obtain a salary within the range of this one. Here we have to calculate the probability. Okay, I think you have to use probability P only now. Probability X, the probability X should be within the range now, within the range of 2,000 to 2,500. 2,000 to 2,500. හරිද? එතකොට within the range of this one කියලා කිව්වහම what do you think? මේ values දෙකත් includedද නැද්ද? Calculate the probability of employees that obtain a salary within the range of 2,000 to 2,500. මේ values දෙක අයිති නෑ, right? අයිති නෑ. Yeah, within the range of නේ. එතකොට මේ දෙන්නගේ මැද within the range of කියලා කිව්වම within the range of 2,000 to 2,500 now I think those two were anyway it's not, there's no any difference කොහොමත් values වල එහෙම ලොකු වෙනසක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ since we are calculating ඇයි ඒක එහෙම වෙනසක් වෙන්නේ නැත්තේ what do you think the reason is මම ඒකත් නිකම්ම කියන්නම් හදිස්සියෙන්වත් නිකන් question එකකට නිකන් ඇහුවොත් දැන් 2000 equal වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ මෙතන line එකක්නේ set වෙන්නේ. හරිද? නිකන් හිතන්නකෝ ඒක that is equals to 2000 කියලා කිව්වහම අපිට set වෙන්නේ obviously it's a line, right? ඒ line එකකට we can calculate an area නේ. එතකොට there's no difference. line එකකට area එකක් නැහැනේ. ඒක නිසා there's no difference whether it's 2,000 to 2,500 අපි equal කියලා කියන එක consider කරත් නැතත් there's no difference in the values. The reason is equal වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ it's a line. දැන් x is equals to this 2000. Or else if we convert it into z වලට convert කරාමත් මෙතන මොකක් හරි value එකක් එනවනේ. එතකොටත් ඒ line එක එන්නේ. This value will be in a minus 1 point මොකක් හරි කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. ඒත් එන්නේ මේ line එක. Right? ඒ line එකක් එනවා කියලා කියන්නේ line එකක් එනවා කියලා කියන්නේ what do we have? For this line, we can't calculate an area. We can't calculate an area. Hari?
Yes. Okay.
So because of that, for a line, there's no any area. නිකං fact එක මතක තියාගන්න හදිසියෙන්වත් නිකං additional question එකකට ඇහුවොත්. So because there's no, we can't calculate an area for a line. ඒක නිසා there's no change, though we consider this equal or not in these type of questions. In these type of normal distribution questions. හරිද? එතකොට මෙතන range එක අපෙන් අහන්නේ calculate the probability. මම මේ ටික නිකන් additional ටික clear කරොත් මෙහෙමනේ තියෙන්නේ. So now this is from the x. හැබැයි we can't read the x values. ඒ කියන්නේ normal distribution values. We can't have these values නේ. එතකොට we have to convert this into the standard normal. එහෙනම් to convert it into a standard normal, what we have to do? හරි, what we have to do? එතකොට x minus mu, x minus mu divided by sigma. හරිද? ඒකම you have to do the same thing for the left hand side, that is 2000 minus mean should be 2200, the average whatever they have given, and the area is 300, right? 300 is the standard deviation, and for this side we have 2500. 2500 minus 2200, 2200 should divided by 300. හරිද? 300. That is the value. So then metana, now this part becomes the z because we have converted into the standard normal. එතකොට මේක වෙන්නේ 200 minus 200 divided by 300 means minus 2 over 3 නේ. Minus 2 over 3 means we'll get the value. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ positive, මෙතන තියෙන්නේ minus 1. No, මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 1. Because 2500 minus 2200, that is 300. 300 divided by 300, that is 1. So now if I convert this value into the decimals, this will become minus 0.6666 something. Yeah. Third අපි decimal places තුනකට වගේ ගමුකෝ, because we can read the table up until 3 decimal places නේ. එහෙනම් 666 නම් the last decimal place I'll have it as 7. එතකොට less than z less than or equal to 1. එතකොට මේකේ තමයි probability එක calculate කරන්න වෙන්නේ. Now you can convert okay, once we have this, can you do the rest of the things with the table? Try.
Okay.
This is the whole part. Yeah. දැන් අඩු වෙලා ගොඩක්. හරියන්නේ ගන්න.
මේ පැත්ත දැක්කද? මේ ඔක්කොම මේ පැත්තේ නැතුනේ.
තව ටිකක් මේවා අඩු වෙන්න ඕන.
කොහොමද ගිහිල්ලා? ඒකෙන් එන්න ඕනේ.
නැහැ නිකන් අර ටික ඒක පිටින්ම යනවා.
චුට්ටු චුට්ටු මම හිමින් දැන් මොප් කරනවා. ගේ. ඒ ටික වෙනාම මේ ටික වෙනවා. ඒක මට වෙලා ඇති. හැබැයි ස්ටව් වගේ මොනවද කියනවා මම නැහැ. ඔයාට නෑ.
ඔයාලට එකක් ගෙනල්ලා දෙන්නද?
දැන් කැම්බිලි තියෙනවා. එක දෙයක් බීලා.
Just send me the workings when you complete it.
Okay. Okay.
So in this case, 0.6667 0.667 and Z is less than 1. That means the range would be actually this whole part. Okay, this whole part means this part. Now we can directly take that value from it. එතකොට මේ value එක you can easily read it. That area would be 0.34143. That part is there. Decimal places පහකට ආවද answer එක? If it's less than 1, now it should be only 4 digits now. Wait. If it's Z is less than 1 කියලා කිව්වහම 0.4134 no. That is Z is less than 1.0 ne. 1.0 means 0.3413. This is the range. ඒ කියන්නේ 1.0 න 0.3413. එතකොට what you 0. මම මොකද කියපු value එක 0.3413 right? Wait. 0. මම කිව්වේ 0.3413. 3413. 3413 means 3413 නේ. 3413 මෙන්න මේ 4 එක නෑ. එතකොට that is Z is less than 1 නම් this amount. ඊට පස්සේ case is to read this range. To read this range again what we have to do 0.667 වලට වඩා අඩු ටික read කරගත්තා නම් the same area right? එතකොට 0.667 කියලා කියන එක read කරනවා නම් 0.667 කියලා කියන එක read කරනවා නම් 0.667 0.6 එතකොට 0.6 0.6 0.66 ne. Anyway, you can't take the other decimal. එතකොට 0. මෙන්න මේ ටික මෙහෙම ඇවිල්ලා 0.66 means මෙන්න මේක 0.2454 0.2454 නම් 0.2454 එතකොට වෙන්නේ 0.2454 මෙන්න මේක වෙන්න ඕනේ 0.2454 2454 and you have to add these two. ඇයි මෙතන තියෙන region එකට now the actual area whatever we should have is මෙතන මැද තියෙනවා 0 කියලා කියන එක මෙතන තියෙන්නේ -0.667 මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 1 නේ. එතකොට අපිට ඕනේ x is greater than this amount and less than 1 නේ. එතකොට මේ whole area එක ගන්න නම් we should add these two values. එතකොට if we add these two values together that means 0.3413 plus මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 0.24 sorry මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 2454 එතකොට the total should be 0.5867. Is it clear? Because minus 0.667 කියලා කියන එකේ මේ area එක එහා පැත්තට ගත්තාම positive 0.667. ඒ positive 0.667 කියලා කියන එක you can directly take it from the table itself. එතකොට එන value එක 0.2454. මේ values දෙක you have to add these two together.
Okay.
Once you complete this one, can you do the next question as well? We'll do the last two questions. I mean the wording questions. For the next question. Okay, and now I need the question as well. Question exercise PDF. Let me erase it. The weight of the package of a brand of cereal are normal distributed with mean of 32. So the weights of packages of a brand of cereal are normal distributed with a mean of 32 ounce and a standard deviation of 1.3. What is the probability that a package selected at random will weight exceeding 35, exceeding 35? Okay, that is mean is 32, and the standard deviation is 1.3. එතකොට x is exceeding 35 ni 35 ounce nang probability of x is greater than 35. That means x minus mu divided by sigma should greater than 35 minus 32 divided by 1.3. Correct. Z is greater than 2.30. Z is greater than 2.30 නම් අර 2.30 වලට වඩා අඩු ටික අරගෙන 0.5 වලින් subtract කරන්න ඕනේ, right? 2.30 කියලා කියන එක ගත්තා නම් එතකොට 2.30 2.30 now 2.30 that is 0.4893 4893 right 4893 now 4893 means this area 4893 means okay 4893 means where's my pen 4893 means less than part නේ. මෙන්න මේ part එක. So you want this area no? This area no? You have to subtract it from 0.5. 0.5 minus 0.4893. That is the answer. 0.5 minus 0.4893. Is it clear? I mean,
Yes.
you read 2.3, so you read you read the value from the table which is from 0 to 2.30. That's the colored area නේ. එතකොට ඒකෙන් එන්නේ මෙන්න මේ ටික. හැබැයි අපිට ඕනේ 2.30 වලට වඩා වැඩි ටික. So we know from here to here the whole part that half would be 0.5 කියලා. එහෙනම් from that 0.5 you have to subtract this part. 0.5 minus 0.4893. That is the final answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Do the third one as well. So for these two, let me share my screen. Mean is 25. The temperature of a given month is normally distributed with average temperature of 25 degrees of Celsius. Average temperature 25 degrees of Celsius and the standard deviation of 2 degrees of Celsius. Find the probability that the temperature of that month is less than 20 degrees. Okay, if it is less than 20 degrees now, okay, between less than 20 degrees now, x is less than 20, x is less than 20 degrees now, x minus mu divided by sigma, 20 minus 25 divided by 2, that is, z is less than minus 2.5. minus 2.5 නම් plus 2.5 නේ. එතකොට 2.5 වලට වඩා වැඩි ටිකන එන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට 0. Okay. එතකොට what do we have here? හරි. එතකොට හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. So here what do we have? මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙනවනේ we have the value that is 2.5. හරිද? එතකොට we can read this part. If you read the value from the table, that means 0.4938 නේ. That is this part. හරිද? එහෙනම් this amount is 0.4938. හරිද? එතකොට you have to subtract 0.4938 නේ. එතකොට you have to subtract this amount from 0.5. Actually 0.5, sorry, 0.5 minus 0.4938. That is the value is 0.0062. මේ දෙන්න මෙතන මාරු වෙන්න ඕනේ. Other than that, that is correct. මෙයා minus වෙලා මෙයා plus වෙන්න ඕනේ. I mean 0.5 වලින් තමයි you have to subtract 0.4938. එතකොට you will get the answer 0.0062. That is correct. Second one.
Means in the second one, how to write the probability?
For the second one, what was the question? Wait. Exercise. Between 27 and 30 degrees. එතකොට that means it's also easy. Probability x is මෙතන තියෙනවා 27 and between කියලා කියන්නේ ඒ අතරමැදනේ 27 වලට වඩා වැඩි and 30 degrees වලට වඩා අඩුයි. This is. Then if it is more than 30 degrees now, probability is x greater than 30. Okay?
Okay. Mm. Okay, miss.
This one. If it is 27 volt වඩා වැඩි, then 30 volt වඩා අඩුයි. එතකොට we have okay 27 volt වඩා වැඩි 30 volt වඩා අඩුයි min එක 25 එතකොට 27 minus 25 divided by 2 is it 1 volt වඩා වැඩි 2.5 volt වඩා okay එතකොට මේක හොයනවා නම් අන්න right 2.5 වලට වඩා අඩු ටික calculate කරලා ඒකෙන් අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ 1 වලට වඩා අඩු ටික. yes එතකොට table එක read කරනවා 2.5 වල value එක තියෙන්නේ 2.5 වල value එක තියෙන්නේ එන්න 2.5 වල value එක වෙන්නේ 0.4983 0.4938 0.4938 හොඳේ ඒක 0.4938 this value නේ එතකොට වෙන්නේ 0.4938 ඒකෙන් subtract කරන්න ඕනේ 1 වල තියෙන value එක කියලා කියන්නේ 1.0 නෝ 0.4314 0.4314 එක හරි. එතකොට මේ සම්පූර්ණ area එකෙන් මේ ටික subtract කරන්න. ඒතර එන value එක 0.15 0.1538 157. Okay, that is correct. මෙන්න මේ මෙතන විතරක් පොඩක් වැරදි. And here x is greater than 30 නේ. එතකොට mean is 25 and the sigma is 2 නේ. එතකොට z is greater than Z is greater than 5 or 2.5. 2.5 වලට වඩා වැඩි ටික කියලා කියන්නේ මෙතන තියෙන ටික විතර අපිට රීඩ් කරන්න වෙන්නේ. 2.5 කියලා කියන්නේ again 0.4938 0.4938 අන්න එතන හරියට ලියලා. එතකොට ඒක සබ්ස්ට්‍රැක්ට් කරන්න ඕනේ 0.5 වලින්. 0.5 minus 0.4938, then the answer is 0.0062. Yes, correct. The last question is correct. That's it. Okay.
Okay, miss. Okay.
Okay. So then do the හැබැයි අර first question එකත් කරන්න because that part
Okay.
also, yeah, I think now you can manage it. So the lessons is over. I think you have another Excel thing as well, right? To do some practicals.
No,
No, right? No. For you, no.
no.
Okay, okay. Then we have another
Now we have the
papers.
papers, miss.
Right. Papers තියෙනවාට. How do we do the papers? Do you want my help also? කියන්නේ අපි discuss කරනවද? When do you have the exams now? No.
They say miss in between May, June. They don't have an exact date yet.
Right. Okay. How many papers do we have?
We have 4.
We have 4. Okay. So the next class would be අපි කවුදද සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කරේ regularly?
Thursday.
Thursday, no? We can do the
Yeah.
next class Thursday, right? We have only papers
Yeah.
to do, no? එතකොට
Yeah.
upload all the recordings as well. May now this week I'm a little bit free. ඒක නිසා I'll upload the recordings and send you the links. So එතකොටත් මොනවා හරි ඕනොත් ඔයාලට බලන්න හරි පුළුවන්. And
Yeah.
May June නම් anyway we should have like another 4 weeks. එතකොට අපි week එකකට එක paper එක ගන්න completely ඉවර කරොත් ඇති වගේ තමයි මට හිතන විදිහට. So we'll do like that. You just go through
Okay.
all the theories and also all the exercises. ඊට වඩා වෙන මුකුත් නැහැනේ.
No.
Okay, okay. I hope now this whole theory part is clear. If you have any
Yeah.
questions, just ask from me. No problem. Okay?
Okay. It's okay.
Okay, then thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, miss.
See
Thank you.
you then. See you on
Okay.
Thursday. Bye.
Bye. Bye.